Hello everyone, I'm going to be going over the muscles of the arm and the shoulders in this video. So let's go ahead and start down here. You could see the deltoid muscle over here, number 7. If we take that off, you could see the infraspinatus muscle. Right here, number 2, all these 3 muscles are part of the infraspinatus. Infraspinatus goes into the infraspinous fossa. This is the spine of the scapula. So up here you would have the supraspinatus, which was cut. So supra means above, and you would have it above. However, this model is upside down. So in this case, supra is going to be below and infra is going to be on top. Next you have the teres major and the teres minor. So teres major is going to be number 3 over here, the bigger muscle, and teres minor is number 4 right here. If I turn this around, this is going to be the subscapular muscle right here, number 6, goes into the subscapular fossa. You could also see the bicep, tricep, and brachialis. Now bicep, you guys do need to know the long head and the short head. So the long head with the biceps is going to be lateral, right here. And the short head over here is going to be medial. Also, with the tricep, you're going to have a long head, a lateral head, and a medial head. So the medial head is going to be the small one. Below that you have the long head, and on the other side you have the lateral. Because if you think about it, if you put the arm down, this is going to be the one that's lateral. Now moving up, everything that you see on this side, these are considered flexors, and these right here are considered extensors. These are the muscles that help you extend your arm, and these are the muscles that help you flex your arm. So if you keep in mind which ones are flexors, which ones are extensors, and understand where the ulnar and the radius are on this model, it shouldn't be too hard to name these muscles. So the first one I want to talk about is the brachioradialis, right here, number 20. Number 12 is the pronator teres. Number 13, if you pay attention, this goes over the radius, and it's a flexor. So it's going to be the flexor carpi radialis. Right here. The next one is the palmaris longus. And this one goes over the ulnar, number 15. So this is going to be the flexor carpi ulnaris. Now let's look at the extensor muscles. So this is where the radius is going to be. And then you have these 2 muscles. One is longer, so this is the longest. The other one is brevis because it's shorter. So these are extensors. So this is going to be extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis. 17 is the extensor digitorum, and this one over here, number 16, remember this is where the ulnar is, and this is an extensor, so this is going to be the extensor carpi ulnaris right here. So think about the location, think about if it's a flexor or an extensor, and think about if it's long or short, and you guys should be able to figure that out. Now there's one more muscle that's underneath all of this. See if I could get it out. So underneath the brachioradialis, number 25, you have the supinator over here. And that covers all of the muscles for the arm.